Hello students, welcome back to another reading discussion video. Now we will be discussing the e-paragraph which we left earlier. So in the e-paragraph they are basically talking about an online airport survey which was conducted, and they were asking about the use of meeting facilities at airports, and they were also asking about the perceived role and importance of these facilities in generating income and raising passenger number, like increasing the passenger numbers more and attracting more and more passengers. In total, there were responses from staff at 154 airports. Total number of airports were 154, and 68% of these answered yes to the question. Like, yes, it was attracting more and more passengers. Does your airport own and have meeting facilities? These were the questions in the survey. In addition, 28% of the respondents that did not have meeting facilities stated that they were likely to invest in them during the next 5 years. Like 28% of the airports were saying that these kind of meeting facilities they are going to add in the next 5 years. The survey also asked another to what extent respondents agreed or disagreed with the number of statements about. So they are basically talking about the data. So we are having two questions, 14th and 24. Now we will move to 14th question. Evidence that a significant number of airports provide meeting facility. Yes, evidence was the survey. So here we can see an online airport survey was conducted about the use of meeting facilities and airports. So this is the direct answer. Now we will move to the 24th question. Also just under, so they have written 28%, but here it is written just under 30%. So it is basically the same. Just under 30% of the airports surveyed plan to provide these facilities within 5 years. Yes, they were saying they are going to provide these facilities in next 5 years, during the next 5 years. Yes, they have written 28%. So this is our answer, 24th. Now we will move to F paragraph. The survey also asked airports with meeting facility to estimate what proportion of users are from the local area. So basically in this paragraph they are usually asking the survey, they are usually taking the survey and asking people what percentage of people who travel were from local area or any other area like foreign or abroad, or from local only, within a 90-minute drive from the airport or from abroad. Their findings show that meeting facilities provided by the majority of respondents tend to serve local versus non-local or foreign needs. Like most of the meeting facilities were provided for the local people. 63% of the respondent estimated that over 60% of users are from the local area. Yes. Only 3% estimated that over 80% of users are from abroad. So they are basically sharing the data. 63 responded that more than half of people were from local area, and 3% people were who responded to the survey reported that 80% of the users were from abroad. It is therefore not surprising that the facilities are of a limited importance when it comes to increasing use of flights at the airport. 16. Now here they are saying 16% of responded estimated that none of the user of their meeting facility use flights when traveling to or from them. They are saying 16% of the respondents estimated that not even a single member was using flights, even they are using meeting facilities. They were using meeting facilities, but they were not using any kind of flights while traveling to or from them. Whilst 56% estimated that 20% or fewer of the users of their facility use flights. So they are basically giving us the data. So here we are having two answers, 25 and 26. However, the main users of the facilities are local or local people also. You can write both, local also or local people. Yes, they have told us here. Their findings show that the meeting facility provided by the majority of respondents tend to serve local versus non-local or foreign needs. Means it was basically for the local people. That's what they were saying. Majority of respondents tend to serve local. Mainly they were serving the local people. Now we will move to next question. and as many as 16% of respondents to the survey stated that their users did not take any flights at the airport. Yes, answer is flights. 16% of the respondents estimated that none of the users of their meeting facilities used flights when traveling to or from them. So now we will move to the G paragraph. The survey asked respondents with meeting facilities to estimate how much revenue their airport earned from its meeting facility during. Now in this paragraph they are basically talking about the revenue, how much revenue they have generated from the meeting facility. So the revenue was $12,959, and meeting facilities are effectively a non-aeronautical source of the airport revenue. Like they are earning a lot of from the airport services also, flights also, but meeting facility is a different part. Like it is a non-aeronautical, it is not related to the aeroplanes. It is basically a facility which is provided in the premises of the airport. So only 1% of respondents generated more than 20% non-aeronautical revenue from their meetings facilities. None generated more than 40%. Like 1% of the responded who were using the non-aeronautical facilities, they generated 20% of non-aeronautical revenue from their meeting facilities, while the other, like 99% of the respondent earned 40%. So 1% people were earning half of the they were earning half of the generating half of the revenue from the meeting facilities as compared to the 99% people who were not using these kind of facilities. So here we can see that non-aeronautical meeting facilities were not giving a lot of revenue to the people. So here is our answer 16, the last answer. Reference to the low level of income that meeting facilities produce for airports. Yes, low level of income we can see here. First of all, they have given proper data also, that is just 12,959, and they have given this also, only 1% of respondent, like who were using non-aeronautical services, they were earning half of the money which was earned by the other people. As opposed to the other people, they were earning double of this 1% of respondents. So here we can say that they were earning low level income. So we have done with all the questions. So here is our last paragraph, we can discuss that also. The findings of the study says that few airports provide meeting facility as a serious commercial venture. Like there are not a lot of airports that provide these kind of commercial ventures services, meeting facilities. It may be that owners of the large property space is available for meeting facility at airports and could play an important role in serving the needs of the airport, its partners and stakeholders such as government and the local community. Like people who are having large properties, they are providing these kind of facilities. Thus, while the local orientation means that competition with other airport is likely to be minimal. From the local orientation, we can see that the competition with the airport is going to be very small one. Competition with the local providers of meeting facility is likely to be much greater. Like the competition with the local providers means the people who are providing these kind of facilities at the local level, the competition of the airport will be much higher with them, but not at with the other airports. So this is our paragraph, and this is our discussion of this paragraph. So if you find any kind of difficulty, you can leave a comment also. So subscribe our channel also if you like the video. Soon I will be providing another video on the discussion of the third passage also. So remain in touch with this channel. Thank you.